Morning, family. Ham's Loft. It's
Yeah, Miss Freeman.
let's see.
If you're in the club and I've been with I've seen you fight the club.
Okay. It's 7:05. I'm at 1.6 miles away from the house. There you go. 7:05, 71 degrees. 1.6 miles. Sun's to the east. Got my little birds out. I'll let them sit there for another minute. Get the camera ready. I left the tripod at the house. Okay, people. It's been a few minutes. Let's go on and let them out. Hopefully they beat me home, but we'll find out. One went the opposite way, hit me in the leg. I think that's the way they're supposed to be going, but let's see what they do. Got a nice group. Got a loner. They're flying low. Got a loner, broke off. He took off the other way. He's back in the group now. I'm trying to get y'all in the picture. Alright, I think they're going pretty much the right way, but let me pack it up so I can get home. Yeah. I see them flying over the house when I got here, so yep, got a few down, so they've been here for a few minutes. But let's see what. See a few on the roof. $7.14. So it didn't take them but a couple of minutes to get back. See, they're down. We're gonna just cut this video right quick because I gotta get ready for work. And 58, we let 58 out, 58 back last night. So still running with 58 for now. We're still only 1.6 miles away, so that's not really no big competition yet. But we're gonna keep moving out. I'm off the next 2 days, so they will get tossed farther than 1.6. I think I'm gonna go about 3 miles. Gotta make them work for it. All right, y'all. Comment, subscribe, do what you do.